So now that we kind of understood what is long and short trade, now let us kind of understand why should you be trading in the first place, right? So that's extremely important, right? I know you are into the markets, you want to be part of the stock market, but specifically, yes, there are many ways to approach the market. One is investing and one is trading. Now, why should you be trading? So before I kind of give you my reasons why you should be trading, take a moment and write down all the reasons what you think is necessary, what you think you have for you to be trading. It can be anything. Just don't bother. Just kind of write down. Take a moment, pause this video, take a moment, write down or comment. Go to the comment section and write as many reasons as you can. It can be any reason, right? But what is important is you got to have reasons to be trading, and you got to know those reasons. So just pause this video for a minute and go comment, and then come back and see what are my reasons which I have, so that for you to be in trading as a business, right? We will see you in just a minute. See you in my next video. Bye.